How to cancel Momo AI subscription. Method 1. Cancel Momo AI subscription via iOS. Go to the Settings app on your device and then tap on Subscriptions. Now, navigate to your Apple ID on the device and sign in. Go to the Subscriptions button and from the available options, select Momo AI subscription. You can now finally tap on Cancel and this will deactivate your Day 1 subscription. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Momo AI Premium subscription via Android. Go to the Google Play Store you are signed into. Tap on your profile showing at the top right and you will see a number of options. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the list and then tap on Subscriptions. Tap on the Momo AI subscription from the list and then hit Cancel Subscription. Finish the steps and the subscription will be deactivated from your device. And you are done.